Okay, so we are live. Okay, so I'm just testing. Okay, just give me a second. Because screen already updated. Okay, so hey, hey bloggers, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Okay, so this is Umair Qureshi. Okay, the founder of guideblogging.com. Okay, if you don't know, then yeah, this is just a quick message or the quick introduction of mine. Okay, so yeah, welcome you all in this session, in this AMS session. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this AMS session. Okay, so yeah, you can ask your questions. Okay, you can ask your question as like just ask your question. Okay, I will try to like reply your queries. Okay, one by one. Okay, so yeah, first of all, let's wait for few more people to join in, then we will like just start it. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so waiting for few peoples to join in. Okay, then we will like start doing the session. Okay, start doing the session. And I hope my voice is like coming cool. Okay, cool because of my good and amazing podcast mic. Okay, so yeah, this is not a thing, but yeah, hopefully like you are able to like listen me. Okay, so that's the main thing. Okay, so yeah, you can ask your questions. Okay, one by one. Try to ask your questions, okay, and I will try to like respond your queries. Okay, so yeah, keep asking your questions. Okay, keep asking questions. Hey bhai, how are you? I am good bhai, I am good. I'm not able to see your name, but हाँ bhai, I am good. And I'm working on the course. Okay, so yeah, you guys are very excited for the course, I know. And I want you to be more excited. Okay, I want you to be more excited because I'm doing like I'm adding something different in this course. Okay, I'm adding something different in course, in this particular course, like which is going to be mind boggling. I can say mind boggling. Okay, let's wait for few people to join in. Okay, I know many people have not joined in. Maybe they are enjoying their Sundays and all. Okay, but the hustler like us like do these things. Okay, so let's wait. Yeah. What roles does a SSL certificate play? See, SSL certificate play a crucial role, okay, in the website. Okay, so this question is asked by Mayank. So Mayank, SSL certificate plays a crucial role in your website, okay, because see, if the website is like not like with on SSL, then maybe it's very easy to access by the hackers. Okay, they can easily like access your website and they can like hack your all content. Okay, they will hack your all content. Okay, all content. Then maybe you will face some difficulties. Okay, you will face some difficulties. Okay, for sure. So that is the thing. Okay, that's what I can tell you. Okay, so yeah, and see people like if you want to get affiliate sales in your blog, then try to add SSL because SSL I can say is a is an SEO factor as well. And one more thing that I can tell you, SEO like helps user to trust the website. Okay, so that's a crucial thing that you should know right now. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. The next question by Santosh bro. Umer bro, give us some SEO tips to rank. See, there are so many tips, bro, that I can tell you to rank. But the main thing I can say is quality content is main. If you are writing a quality content, if you are like placing the keywords on the right places, then I can say you are like you are going to be successful. Like you are going to be rank your website. Okay, so that's the thing that I can say. Okay, so this this thing that I want to tell you. Okay, and sorry for my voice. Okay, if it's not that much good because see, I am like doing daily calls with my team members and I'm like working hard. Okay, you see, one thing I can tell that course creation is easy, but value addition is very hard. So what I am doing, I am trying to adding more value, so that taking time. Okay, that's taking time. Okay, but yeah, we will finish up all the things like till 29 July for sure. Okay, for sure we will do that because sorry. Okay, so because we have a good team right now, we have so many people who are like working really hard. So yeah, it's going to be very awesome. Umair bro, how are you? I am good. I am good. Kushidi, I am good. I am super good. And you are, yeah, you are audible. Thank you. Is automotive is a good blogging niche? Auto motive. Okay, something related to car and all. Yes, it will work. It will work. But I think you can't do affiliate marketing. Okay, like you can do, uh, but you have to like collaborate with the company. Okay, so that's the thing. What role? Okay, अभी हमने ये दे दिया. Yeah, very excited. Awesome, awesome. ओहे उमेर कुरैशी भाई कुछ ऐसी टिप्स दीजिए भाई अभी आई जस्ट गेव यू द टिप्स ओके आई नो मे बी लाइक आपने नहीं सुना सो आई जस्ट गिव यू द टिप्स एंड हाँ in our course you will get more tips okay more tips like see placing the keyword on the right place is the I can say crucial thing that you can do okay and there are so many tips like do a proper optimization see optimization I can say on page optimization plays a vital role okay mainly focus people mainly focus on off page seos but I can say on page seos also play a vital role to rank a website because we know that we ranked several websites with doing on page seo. Hey brother, okay so we can add through this. Okay, hey brother, how minimum okay how minimum articles should be there when we are writing micro niche affluents and okay, Sika, I got your answer, brother. So first thing, let me like try to answer your first question that how many minimum articles required like for starting an micro niche website. See, I can say just analyze your competitors and see that which are the topics they are ranking for. Okay, and yeah, you can just choose the topics, and I can say there is a no minimum articles limit, bro. Okay, no minimal or minimum sorry limit okay so you can do anything okay like see you can easily convert a micro niche website into a professional website itself okay so no minimum article okay and the next question is see Amazon.usa I can say is dead I can't say it is dead but yeah because of commission people are like not able to do the right things okay because they are not getting the enough commission and that's the thing that people like that's why they are telling that Amazon us.dad like all these things but I can say there are some other niches like in France and there are so many niches okay which you can target and which can give you a lots of money okay believe me okay so okay so this question is finished any suggestion from motivation niche or any idea you wanna give? Okay, so for motivation niche, I can say you can build your own products. Okay, if you are good in motivation, okay, you can build your own product and you can start monetizing with different things. Okay, you can go with Google AdSense. Okay, Google AdSense works, but you can start building the email list and start giving them the lead magnet. Okay, and ultimately you can give them something like some products okay which is like related to motivation which helps you like to get conversion through emails okay otherwise you can also write the articles okay so yeah there are several ways you can do it okay so I hope you got an idea. Is it good to start blogging 2000 because I don't have enough money? See, it's good to start blogging right now. Why should you why should you think that like you are not why you are not starting right now? Why you are thinking 2021 is good? Start with bloggers, start something, okay? Start something. Don't depend that you will get money and then you will like purchase hosting and do all these things. Start from today. See, if you have a money, invest in it. But if you don't have a money, then there are several other ways. Okay, you can like just go ahead and start with Blogger. Okay, you can just start with Blogger, brother. That's suggestion I can give you. Start today. Start today. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Okay. Okay. How have you started working on the podcast? I can say I started working, and our first guest going to be Neil Patel itself. Okay, so our first guest going to be a Neil Patel itself. So Neil Patel is joining me, okay, for the podcast. Okay, so we will do the podcast and all these things. So yeah, my first guest will be like Neil Patel. Okay, so yeah, after that backlink, I will try to gather some top authority peoples, okay, which can share lots of value, okay, lots of strategies with you, okay. So yeah, which is the best Reddit or Pinterest? Pinterest, I can say, brother, Pinterest, I can say Pinterest have a good audience base, okay, and converting audience base from outside India. So automatically, if you are someone like coming from outside India, from tier one countries, then maybe there will be a high chance they will convert. Okay. How to learn to write content? See, if you want to write content, I can say there are several ways you can do. Okay, there are several ways. Just choose a topic and like start compiling the headlines and start writing the short paragraphs. See, let me just show you. I have made a PDF, something like that, for the course. Okay, for the course itself, like how to write the articles that generate sales. Okay, so this is going to be crazy. Okay, you will love that. If I can show you the keynote, like believe me, I have shared everything. Okay, not everything, but yeah, I can share a maximum thing. Okay, but there are several things which I will update on a daily like on a not a daily basis, but yeah, I will update it soon. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, so I think you are able to see my screen. Okay, so here you can see there are several things like how to write a content and generate sales, create an amazing headline. For creating an amazing headline, use this, use numbers, make it understandable, add power words, and it helps you like to increase the CTR, crack the introduction. And for cracking the introduction, I have one formula, and the formula name is SPP formula. Okay, so for doing that, I have several formulas which you are going to learn in this particular blogging domination free blogging course. Okay, so just drop the comment that you are excited. Okay, course free or need to pay? Free. It's going to be free. Blogging domination is going to be free. How can I start blogging without domain and hosting? See, if you want to start blogging without a domain and hosting, then what you can do, you can just start with Blogger itself. At no worries at all, brother. No worries at all. But if you have a money, go with it. Go with hosting because Blogger can give you more results, I can say. Okay, because you will get more features, okay, which helps you like to, I can say, which helps you a lot. Okay. So, how to develop a single website with multiple niches? I don't recommend you to develop a single website with multiple niches because, see, Google launches their one update if you know that. Let me just show you. Okay, just give me a second. Let me show you. I think there is a authority issue. So authority Google update. I don't know the name right now. I don't know the Google update. Not update. It's something like authority something. I don't know. Okay, it's something like authority, but I don't remember the name right now, the update name. So basically, in that update, I can say there are like like probability that you have to like create expertise only on like I got the name EAT update. Okay, EAT update from Google. If you just search this, you will understand that nowadays Google start giving results to the authority websites, and that's how my goal is going to work it. Okay, because I just told you how to build a authority website from scratch with step-by-step tutorials, with blueprints, with PDFs at free cost, like free of cost. Okay, okay. So next question. SEMrush is Ahrefs. Your opinion? SEMrush, I can say it's really good, but I use both. So yeah, both for me both is good. I saw your I saw your thank you Chandru bro. What difference between affiliate marketing and digital marketing? See, in digital marketing you will get affiliate marketing. Okay, so it's not difference. Okay, in digital marketing you will get blogging, SEO, affiliate marketing. In digital marketing you will get all these things. I'm a chameleon. Hey Chandru bro, I got it. You are a chameleon. Okay. Oh yeah, Neil Patel. Yes, yes, Neil Patel. Because one of my friend Jitendra Vaswami, like have connected me with him. So yeah, I'm very much excited like to take his interview for my podcast. Okay. Basically, I don't do interviews, but yeah, I will try to do that as well. Okay, or we can just invite him, not ask the question. We will do something like we will talk on some topics. Okay, we will not do the interview, we will talk on some topics. Okay, so which will like help you. Okay, which will like help you because we already know Neil Patel. Okay, but we have to ask tons of question to him. Okay, which helps us, like which helps you a lot. Okay, I will let you know. Okay, you can drop any question. Okay, we will do 1 hour podcast and we will get like we will I can try like to get as much knowledge as I can. Okay, blogging as a full-time career is can be good. Yes, blogging can be a good full-time career. I have many friends who are doing it, and my recent friend, my not recent friend, my friend Sumit Sahu has also turned that into a full-time blogger, and he is very happy because now he got time. Okay, now he got time to do anything, and now he have time and he have a money freedom itself. Like he have money freedom, so he can spend time with his family, and yeah, this is the thing. Best SEO practices for blog post. For doing the best SEO practices, there are several SEO practices. Okay, several SEO practices. Okay, that are here. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, watch your TV. Okay, I'm facing some problem. Check the traffic on site ground. What problem are you facing? Can you let us know? Let me know basically, so I can help you. Okay. So now let's check. I am facing some okay. How to get a free domain? See, if there's a no. I can say I don't know how to get a free domain, but you should invest. What is hosting? Hosting, I can say you know what is hard disk. Okay, you know what it hard disk. We store the data in it. So web hosting is a space where we store the data of our website. Okay, I explain you in a very very simple way. Bro, tell me something about Shopify. Bro, I'm not able to see your name, but I can tell you that Shopify is good. Okay, Shopify is good, and yeah, I have used it. Okay, but see, Shopify, if you want to sell something, then you can do it. If you want to drop shipping, you can also do that. Bro, is it good to promote blogs and blogging groups? No. See, you have to promote in the groups that you are in, like that are basically related to your niche. Because if you promote here, our moderator will see that like you are doing the promotion, and basically they will ban you. I can say because I have seen so many people got banned because they are promoting their articles. Okay, so I know that, and that's why I'm not recommending. That's why I have not added. Okay, but one thing I can recommend you. Okay, just go to Facebook and search your niche. Like, uh, let me just show you. Okay, so here you can just go over here. I hope you are able to see. Just go over here and search your niche. If my niche is motivation, so I will just search motivation over here. Okay, and after that here you will get so many groups. Like just go to groups. Okay, and here if your niche is related to that, like motivation ki machine 2.0, then you can ask the moderator to share your article. Okay, in the starting time, I love to share the articles in the Triotech group. Okay, but like I do live sessions there also. If you know me, then I can tell you that I did tons of like 2 3 live session in Amit Bhai what that's Facebook. Okay, and yeah, add a Skype group, mic. Okay, Showerly broadcast. I think something is stuck over here. I don't know. Like, but my internet is working good. My internet is working good according to me. Let's wait for few more questions. Okay. I don't know. Okay, so guys, keep asking your questions. Okay, I will try to reply your queries. Okay, maybe something lag. Okay. Okay, so let me just try to do live once again. Okay, let me just try to do live once again. Okay, it's working right now. I don't know the issue. Maybe. Okay, let me like do the live once again. Okay, maybe some erupt and all. Okay, so yeah, I will see you in few minutes. Okay, just give me a second.